I didn't choose to be a Chinese. Neither the brother chose to be black. Neither you choose to be a Bangladeshi or an Arab. Allah decided. جَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلًا. But look at the beauty of this ayah. Allah never said Arab are better than non-Arabs. White are better than the black. Allah never said it. The reason Allah make us different, He make it very clear. لِتَعَارَفُوا. Get to know each other. We have been together, but we fail to get to know each other. We are strangers come to the Jummah and we leave Jummah like a stranger again. We don't even introduce ourselves. I'm your brother from so country and country. Alhamdulillah. What's wrong? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you spend extra. They get to know each other. When you know each other, you can get closer to each other. You learn how to love each other better. But we fail to do that.